PMA Long Course. The PMA Long Course in the Pakistan Army is a training program for regular commission officers of combat and battle support arms and services. It provides aspiring individuals with an opportunity to join the Pakistan Army as officers. The duration of the PMA Long Course varies, but for example, PMA Long Course has a duration of 2 years. 1. During this training, cadets study various subjects and undergo physical and military training at the Pakistan Military Academy, PMA. 2. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply online for the PMA Long Course to pursue a career as a commissioned officer in the Pakistan Army. Eligibility criteria for PMA Long Course. To join Pak Army through PMA Long Course, candidates have to fulfill these eligibility conditions. Only male candidates can apply for PMA 152. Unmarried, for serving armed forces for over 20 years married are eligible. All male citizens of Pakistan and domicile holders from Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. On final selection, candidates having dual nationality will have to surrender all other nationalities except Pakistan. Physical standards. Minimum height should be 5 feet 4, 162.5 centimeters. Weight as per the Body Mass Index. Check normal BMI values. Education. Minimum 55% marks in FA, FSC and equivalent. Candidates who secure 60% marks or above in BA, BSc, BA, BSc, HONS, and BBA, BPA, with 50% marks in FA, FSC are eligible for PMA Long Course. Procedure to join Army. To join the Pakistan Army as a commissioned officer through the PMA, Pakistan Military Academy, Long Course, you need to follow a specific procedure. Here are the general steps involved in the process. 1. Eligibility criteria. Nationality: Pakistani citizens, including Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Gender: both males and females can apply. Age: generally, the age limit is between 17 to 22 years. Education: candidates should have completed intermediate, FSC, FA, ICS, etc., or equivalent education with a minimum of 60% marks. 2. Registration. You need to keep an eye on announcements for the PMA Long Course in newspapers, on the Pakistan Army's official website, and other relevant platforms. Online registration is typically required through the official website or by visiting the Army Selection and Recruitment Centers, ASNRCs, in different cities. 3. Preliminary tests. Once you've registered, you will be called for preliminary tests that include written tests, intelligence tests, and physical tests. The written test usually consists of multiple choice questions, MCQs, related to English, mathematics, general knowledge, and Islamic studies, Pakistan studies. 4. Initial medical examination. Candidates who pass the preliminary tests are then called for an initial medical examination at a military hospital or CMH, combined military hospital. 5. ISSB, Inter-Services Selection Board, tests. Candidates who clear the initial medical examination are invited to participate in the ISSB tests. ISSB tests include several stages to assess a candidate's physical fitness, leadership qualities, psychological attributes, and communication skills. 6. Final selection. After clearing the ISSB tests, candidates are put through a final merit list based on their performance in all stages of the selection process. Successful candidates are then given the opportunity to join the PMA for officer training. 7. Training at PMA. Candidates who make it through the selection process are sent to the Pakistan Military Academy, PMA, in Kakul for a rigorous training program. The training at PMA involves academic studies, physical training, leadership development, and practical military exercises. 8. Commissioning. Upon successful completion of the training, candidates are commissioned as officers in the Pakistan Army. Application process. 1. Keep an eye out for official advertisements regarding the PMA Long Course in leading newspapers or on the official Pakistan Army website. 2. Register online or visit an AS&RC for registration as per the guidelines in the advertisement. 3. Prepare for the initial test by studying relevant subjects and practicing sample papers. 4. Prepare physically for the fitness tests. 5. If you pass the initial test, follow the instructions provided for subsequent stages of testing. 6. Maintain your physical fitness, mental agility, and preparation throughout the process.